day late getting there. You had flights paid for, but you can get cheap $99
Just
flights.
landed in Adelaide from
Welcome to Adelaide. The local time is 1:05 in the afternoon. Firstly, Jetstar would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land and also to pay our respects to elders past and present. Today you'll be exiting through the forward and rear doors. Please follow directions of our team, and for your safety, remember to be steady on the stairs.